People are going viral
Something
right
doesn't
now
feel
just
right
by
today.
creating
You look
amazing
a little
videos
tense,
like this.
Sallow.
They are posting it on their social media accounts
What
such
if I'm
like
not
YouTube,
growing the way I
Facebook, and even
should?
TikTok, and they are getting
What's
massive
wrong?
views just by creating
Hey,
amazing videos
growth
like
doesn't
this. But
happen
first,
overnight.
let me play this
Even
video so
strong
that you
plants
guys
take
are going to
time.
watch this video and see how
You're
the
already
video
doing
is.
great.
Something doesn't feel right today. You look a little tense, Sallow. What if I'm not growing the way I should? What if I'm doing it wrong? Hey, growth doesn't happen overnight. Even strong plants take time.
You're already doing great just by trying. That matters more than you think.
You really think so? We know so.
I guess I've been too hard on myself. I forgot I'm still growing.
Every leaf grows at its own pace.
And you're not growing alone.
Thank you. I feel better now.
I really do.
Now you have watched the video and see how this video was made. I made this entire video for free without paying for any AI tool with my smartphone, and you can also do this. After you create this type of videos, you can be posting it on your social media account like Facebook, TikTok, or even on YouTube. And when you are posting it, it will get monetized and you start earning money from it. People are making massive views from this type of video right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create something amazing like this in less than 5 minutes. You can create something like this for free without paying for any AI tool. All you just need is just your smartphone and internet connection and ChatGPT, Whisk AI, and Grok AI, and you can be able to create something amazing like this. So if that sounds so interesting to you, make sure you watch this video to the end. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you how you can create something amazing like what you just watched moment ago with your smartphone. Let's get started. So the first thing I did to create that type of video, I head over to this AI tool called ChatGPT. On ChatGPT, I describe how I want my video. And this is what I gave to ChatGPT. This is what I gave to ChatGPT. I say generate an image prompt and also image to video prompt of 6 seconds each. I cannot be reading all this, but finally ChatGPT gave me this prompt. As you can see, main character here. This is all what ChatGPT gave to me. This prompt, I'll be dropping the prompt on my Telegram channel. So if you want the prompt, you can join my Telegram channel so that you have the prompt. Now, after everything, ChatGPT gave me this prompt. As you can see, this is all the video to image prompt, everything. This is the prompt. Now let me show you how I generated the image I used for this video, how I generated the video, how I generated the images, and also how I generated the entire video. Now, the first thing I did was to generate my characters. As you can see, main characters here. And to generate the characters, I use this AI to call Whisk AI. A lot of people know me. If you have been following my channel, I usually use that AI tool to generate my images. Now, let's go generate those images together, because on this video, I'm going to put you through step by step how you are going to do everything by yourself. Let's generate the image together. Now, this is the AI tool. You can check your Google or your Apple store. You can check your Google and enter the AI. It's called Whisk AI. You are going to see the AI like this. Now, let's go back to ChatGPT. Now, we've copied our first character here. As you can see, first character. We copy this first character here. We copy this like this, and after we click on copy. Now, after we click on copy, we go back to the AI tool and we are going to paste it here. Now, we click on paste. Now, after clicking on paste, make sure you select this dot here so that you select your aspect ratio. If you want to use it for your TikTok account, you can click on TikTok, but I want to use it for my YouTube, so I need to select YouTube, then I'll click on continue. Now, when you click on continue, it's going to generate the image for you. So let's give it some minutes and it's going to generate the image for us. And finally, this is the image is just generated. These two images is just generated right now. So we can decide to choose any of the image, this image. Now let's choose this one here, and we click on download, and we are going to download it to our phone. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go back to the AI to ChatGPT again, and we copy our second character here. This is our second character. We copy it. Now after copy, we go back to the AI tool again. Then we are going to select this, all of this, click on select all, and we click on paste so that it will replace our former prompt. Now the next thing we are going to do is to click on generate also, and we'll give it a minute, and it's also going to generate our image for us. Now it has successfully generated the image for us. As you guys can see, this is what it generated for us. Now the next thing we are going to do is to copy the next character. I want us to generate all the characters. Then we click on continue. I want to regenerate this one again before I click on generate the next one. I'm not okay with the result. Let's regenerate it. Maybe it will give us something different from this. Let's give it some minutes. Now this is what it gives to us. I think this is even better than the former one. This is better. Now we are going to tap on this and so that we replace our prompt with the one we copy right now. We paste and we click on generate so that we generate our next character. Generate our next character. Let's give it some minutes. Now this is our next character here. So you guys can see this is the 3 character we needed for this video. So we have saved the first one. Now the second one we're also going to save it. Which one will you choose? Let's choose this one. By our left, let's choose this one. I think I love this. Let's choose this one. Let's choose this one. Let's download it to our phone. Now what you need to do is to download all the images to your phone. Now after you download the image to your phone, you go back to ChatGPT again and you look at your first image here, your first prompt here. As you can see, your first scene, it says this image to prompt, image prompt. Now you read. Make sure you read very well so that you know what you are generating. So let's check which one is the first character here. Now this is our first character, aloe vera. Now we copy the aloe vera. We copy it here. We copy this first prompt here. After we copied, then we go back to the AI. Now, when you click here, you click stop here, you are going to see where you are going to upload your image. So we are going to upload our reference image, the first image we just generated, so that the next image we are going to generate right now to follow each other, so that it will have consistency character. It will maintain the same face, the same shape, everything. Now we are going to paste our prompt here to generate the first scene character. That is why we generate our character first. Then we click on generate. Now it's generating our first character. Make sure you are following. Make sure you upload your image there so that it will take the face, everything, the shape, everything, so that it will maintain the consistency character. As you can see, it has generated the image for us. Now you guys can see this is the image we want to generate. Now it has generated the image. The next thing we are going to do is to copy our second prompt again. Our second prompt, as you can see, say close up of aloe vera character looking as in more viral leaf arms resting on the window. So you can just copy everything again. The second prompt, you can copy everything, go back to the here again, and you paste. Click on paste and you click on generate so that it will generate our next image for us also. So this is how you are going to do it, and you generate all your image scenes. And after you generate all your image scenes, you now convert them to video. But don't worry, I will post this video right now so that I can be able to generate all the image scene. And after I generate all the image scene, I'm going to show you how you are going to turn them to video. Because if I say I should be generating everything right now, this video is going to be so long. But this is how you are going to generate all your images. You generate one, you read the prompt, and so that you will know if you are to upload your next image, so that you get the reference of the image you want to generate. Now let me pause this video and generate the entire image scene. Now I've successfully generated all the images. These are all the images. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to Grok AI, where I'm going to convert these images to video. So if you have been following my channel, you will see how I usually use Grok AI to generate my videos. Now let me go and show you how you can use Grok AI to generate your videos. Now this is Grok AI. When you log into your Grok AI, you register and you click on this imagine up here. When you click on imagine, it will bring you to an interface like this. And the next thing you are going to do is to click on this plus icon here. So you click on photo library, so you upload your first image. Now This is our first image here. We click on upload. Now, after we upload our first image, the next thing we are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT again. Now, this is ChatGPT. We are going to copy our image to video prompt, the first image to video prompt. Let me check it out now. This is the first image to video prompt here. We click on it and we copy everything. Now we click on copy. You go back to Grok AI. You click on make video, you click on customize, and we paste our prompt here. If you have been following my channel, I've shown you how you guys can set your Grok AI so that it will not be automatic generating video immediately you tap on it. So I've shown you that before. So the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate. Now when you click on generate, you give it some minutes and Grok AI is going to generate the video for you in less than 1 minute. So let's give it some minutes and it's going to generate the video for us. Please, if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that you'll be getting latest videos like this. Now our video is successfully generated. Let me play the video so that you guys will see how the video look like.
Something doesn't feel right today. You look a little tense, Aloe.
Now this is how the video is. You guys can see the video now. The next thing I will do is just to click on download. Now after downloading, the next thing I will do is to go back again. Then I'll click on this again and I'll click on photo library. Then I'll upload our second image. This is our second image here. Then we click on upload. So we go back to ChatGPT again. We copy our image to video scene again. The second one for this image to video prompt again for the second scene, we copy, we go back to Grok AI, we click on make a video, we click on customize, and we paste the prompt here again, and we click on generate. So this is how we are going to do it, and you'll be generating it one by one, each scene. You have already have the image on your phone, so you upload the image, you copy the scene, you paste it, and it will generate the video for you. So this is how you are going to do it step by step from beginning to the end. After you successfully generate all the images, then you upload the image and you generate image to video using the prompt you got from ChatGPT. So don't forget, the way I said, subscribe. Now, this is our result. Let me play it.
What if I'm not growing the way I should? What if I'm doing it wrong?
Now,
What if I'm not...
this is what you should do. You create everything. Now, I cannot be able to create everything for you, but I've shown you the method. So let me generate all my videos. And after I generate all my videos, I'm going to show you how you are going to add everything up on CapCut and you edit it and it will look very nice. Just the way you do, just like the one you watch at the beginning of this video. Let me edit my own. Let me generate all my image to video scenes. Now, after you successful create your videos, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to CapCut, you click on new video. Now you add all your video scenes, you add everything together, you import everything. You import everything, make sure you know what you are importing. Now this is it. Now after you select it, let me play it so that you guys will see how the result is. I have not edited it yet, Sha.
Something doesn't feel right today. You look a little tense, Aloe. What if I'm not growing the way I should? What if I'm doing it wrong? Hey, growth doesn't happen overnight.
So this is how your result is going to be. Then the only thing you have to do is to add your transition. If you have background sound, you add, and that is how your video is going to look so nice. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch these videos. Let's watch our result one more time.
Something doesn't feel right today.
You look a little tense, Aloe. What if I'm not growing the way I should? What if I'm doing it wrong? Hey, growth doesn't happen overnight. Even strong plants take time.
You're already doing great just by trying. That matters more than you think.
You really think so? We know so.
I guess I've been too hard on myself. I forgot I'm still growing.
Every leaf grows at its own pace.
And you're not growing alone.
Thank you. I feel better now.
I really do.